This is an ECU P08. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the BDM to program this device, and next video we're using the VPW. So when you open it, there are two missing pins here we need to solder on, otherwise the DSI and DSO will not be connected. You have to connect here. But with those two pins here, then these pins will be the same as the P01 or 411. So in the software, we can select the P08 and go to the connection, and then we click here. You will see this diagram here, which let me open this image, and you will see we need to solder those two wires. Here it will be the connection, ground pin, go here, ground, then the reset pin, and the BERR is brown. DSO is orange. And the green is the clock. Gray is the freeze indication, whether you are in BDM or not. Now, this pin is need to pull high in case you want to program. So I use a resistor here and connect to the 12 volt. So, and then I connect the Unink NT. Move it over. So this is the Unink NT. We go to the USB hub. Let's go to the software. USB is connected. Now I have the 12 volt. 12 volt goes to this connector here, the same as the VPW. So let's power on. And let's detect. So we have the register properly. Also the flash is detected. This is a 512 kilobyte. Okay, let's do the read. And save the file. We can save this file. And you can do a verification. Just make sure we have good read. We do. Now I'm going to do the erase just to demonstrate the programming should be very smooth. So erase this one thing, 512 kilobyte. And then blank check it. So we have everything is erased. Now let's do a programming. Let's load this file, and then we can write it, program it. So the reason I'm using the BDM to program it is because I'm developing the kernel for using the VPW, and somehow I just break it. I have to recover it using the BDM method. So here we program and we finish it. It's like 13 seconds to program the entire flash and verify it's fine. So other than these two pins need to be soldered, the BDM programming is exactly the same as the P01, and the 12 volt need to be pulled high. So next video I'm going to talk about using the VPW to program this device.